morning, children. Now, our channel, YouTube channel, KGTV SSA. Now, I discussed 9th class topic. How are you, children? All are you good? I feeling you are all good. Stay home, stay safe. Okay. Next, now I discussed a 9th class chapter 6 rows. This example tell 6 rows. 6 rows in rose plants. 6 rows in rose plants. Each row in 6 plants. Each row in 6 plants. 6 rows. Each row carries 6 plants. So, number of plants in garden. Number of plants. 6 rows and 6 plants. 6 rows and 6 plants. 6 are 36. Then, in a garden, X rows in each row X plants. Each row X plants. Total number of plants. Total number of plants is equal to X rows and X plants. X into X. This is rows. These are plants. So X into X or X square. Another example tell. Observe. Understand, students? Listen me carefully. Listen. Onion cost. Onion per kg cost 10 rupees. Onion per kg cost. 1 kg cost is 10 rupees. Here, Ramu purchased 3 kgs. Ramu purchased 3 kgs. Ravi purchased 2 kgs. Ramu purchased 3 kgs. Ravi purchased 2 kgs. Radha purchased 4 kgs. Respectively. Here, 1 kg onion cost 10 rupees. 1 kg onion cost 10 rupees. Suppose 5 kgs. Onion cost 5 into 10, 50 rupees. You know. Say these are also respectively P kgs. 1 kg cost 10 rupees. 5 kg is 50 rupees. So P kgs cost. P kgs. Ramu purchase cost. Ramu purchase cost P into 10 rupees. That is equal to 10 P rupees. 10 P rupees. Ravi also purchased cost Q into 10 Q rupees. Radha purchased cost R into 10 R rupees. 10 R rupees cost. respectively. Respectively. Are such contents or such examples show the use of algebraic expressions. All are algebraic expressions. This is respectively 10p, 10q, 10r or 10p, 10q and 10r are algebraic expressions. All are algebraic expressions. These are all algebraic exercises. Here algebra. Algebra have two variances. One is constant. Another one is variable. What is constant? What is variable? Listen, see. Listen, see. This is constant. This is constant. This is constant. Constant. Variables. This is. Variables. This is. You know constant. 5 is 5. 8 is 8. 5 is 5. Constant. 8 is 8. 5 ante 5. 8 ante 8. That's all. Here x. Every time is changeable. Y also changeable. But here constant. 5 are constant. 8 are constant. No change values. Here variable x and y are changeables. If constant and variables is multiplied or divided. Multiplied or divided. This is a algebraic expressions. This is a algebraic expressions. 5x or 5 by x, 7 by z. Anybody one? These are called algebraic expressions. Algebraic expression. No change. Here x plus y is equal to 5. Here x value y is equal to that change y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 minus 2. Y is equal to 3. Another y is equal to anyone this value x or y and values are changeable. This is called a algebra. This type of algebraic expresses is called a polynomials. Polynomials that we discussed in 9th class, second chapter, polynomials and factorization. Students, right now, rough the board, understand? Once again, explain it. Some rows into plants, say 36, x rows also, x into x square. Onion cost 1 kg is 10 rupees, p kg is p into 10 rupees, q kg also. Same, this Radha purchased 10 rupees. These are 10p, 10q, 10r. This is algebraic expressions. In algebra is two variables, two variables, constant and variables. These are, okay. 1 minute, children. I rub the board. 1 second. Okay, now our topic is 9th class, chapter 2. Polynomials and factorization. Polynomials and factorization. Now polynomial, listen carefully. And algebraic expression which the variables involved have only non-negative integral powers is called polynomial. Listen, students. And algebraic expression. These are algebraic expressions which the variables. These are algebraic expressions variables only invalid have only non-negative, no negative values, only positive, non-negative values, integral powers non-negative value is called a polynomials. And algebraic expressions which the variables involved have only non-negative integral powers is called polynomial. Once again, listen. An algebraic expression which the variables invalid have only non-negative integral powers is called polynomials. Here one example, listen. 3x square 4x plus 5 is a polynomial. Understand? This polynomial used some other applications. Algebraic expressions is used to square area of the square s into s. LB area of the rectangle LVH or S cuboid, volume of the cuboid. These are all algebraic expressions in used applications. LV, SS, suppose. These are algebraic expressions in polynomials. Algebraic expressions is called a polynomial. Polynomial definition: an algebraic expression which the variables invalid have only non-negative integral powers is called polynomial. Here listen some more examples. 1 minute children, I rub the board. Here one see. An algebraic expression is which the variable in have only non-negative integral powers is called a polynomial. Some more example also right now. See x, 3xy, x square plus 2x, 5x square, ax plus by. These are also etc. algebraic expressions. That is polynomials. Let us come. Some more examples. First example. Why discuss 3x square first 4x. This one is a polynomial. Here 3x square 4x plus 4x plus 5. Here discussing that algebraic expressions multiply and divided, that plus or minus arithmetic operations are used in polynomials, algebraic expressions. Here x is variable, 5 is constant, 3 is coefficient. Square is power or exponent. This one example. Here 2 power which 2. 2 is a natural number. 2 is a natural number. Natural number. This is a positive number. This is a positive number. Which one tell? Polynomial is invalid, non-negative. Here only positive. So it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. Another example we tell. This one first. Second example. 1 by 2 is 5. Here 1 by 2 is not a natural number. Not a natural number. Not a natural number. So it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Understand? Only positive value, but here 1 by 2 is not a natural number. Here 1 by x, that is equal to x power minus 1. Here power minus 1. Here power minus 1. This is a negative number. This is a negative number. This is a negative number. So is not a, it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Once again, 3 examples are there. First example, 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Here degree is 2. Here power or exponent is 2. 2 is a natural number and positive number. 2 is a natural number and positive number. Positive number is a polynomial. Here 1 by 2 also a positive number, but not a natural number. So it is a polynomial. X power 1 by x plus 5 also. Minus 1 is, this is negative number. So this is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial. Understand? Next we discuss degrees of polynomial. Polynomial algebraic expresses according to degrees. According to degrees. Listen. Algebraic polynomials. Algebraic expresses according Listen. Degree name of the polynomial, general form, examples. Examples. Here degree is not defined. Is 0. General form also 0. Examples also 0. General form no. Next, not defined. Here 0. Constant polynomial 0. Constant polynomial. Constant polynomial A. General form of A. Suppose 5, 3, minus 5x, etc. 0. Degree is 0. Constant polynomial. This is. Next 1. Degree is 1. Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Degree is 1. Linear polynomial. This is ax plus b. Ax plus b. This one is 5x plus 3. 4x. Anyone? Any example you write, children. Understand only here, etc. Ax plus b is called a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Here 2. Degree is 2. Degree is 2. This is a quadratic polynomial. This is a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. This is quadratic polynomial. General form ax square plus bx plus c. Quadratic polynomial is general form ax square plus bx plus c. Example 4x square plus 9x plus 6. 3x square plus 10x plus 9, etc. These are examples. 0 undefined constant polynomial, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial. Listen. Next, tell. Constant linear polynomial is polynomial of degree is a linear polynomial. Polynomial of degree is a linear polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial degree is 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. Next, another one is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Here, third one, degree is 3, cubic polynomial. This cubic polynomial, general form, ax cube, bx square, plus cx plus d. Cx plus d. This example, plus 9. This is cubic polynomial. Here 1, 2, 3. Therefore, there's n. There's n. Nth degree. Nth degree is a polynomial. Nth degree polynomial. The nth degree polynomial. Nth degree polynomial. These are algebraic expressions according to degree. According to degree. Listen, cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial of degree is 3 is called a cubic polynomial. This is here chart also. Listen. One second, students. Listen. Degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. Name of the polynomial. General form. Example. Not defined. 0 polynomial. 0 is constant polynomial. Constant polynomial A. 5 minus 12, 3 by 4, etc. 1. Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. General form is ax plus b. Examples: 5x plus 7 minus 7x plus 8 minus x minus 2, etc. Next, degree is 2. Degree of the polynomial is 2. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Ax square plus bx plus c. Example is 3x square plus 5x plus 6. This is quadratic polynomial. Next one is degree of the polynomial is 3. Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial general form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Example: 5x cube plus 3x square plus 7x plus 6. Suppose usually a polynomial of degree n is called, here I tell 3 dash dash n is polynomial, degree is n is called nth degree polynomial. Where nth degree polynomial, nth degree polynomial. These are algebraic expressions according to degree polynomials. Understand, student? Write carefully, neatly write down. Okay, write now. Children, carefully, don't mistake. Write neatly. Completed? Children? Okay. Next come another one. Types of polynomials. Degrees of polynomial completed. Types of polynomial. Types of polynomial. Algebraic expressions according to terms. According to terms. Same. First term Name of the polynomial. Example. Terms. Number of non-zero terms. Number of non-zero terms. Here 1. Non-zero terms here 1 is called a monomial. What? Monomial. 1 non-zero term. 1 is called a monomial. Who? Monomial. This example 5x 3 4y z minus 3. Anyone. Terms is 1. Single term. Single term. 3y or 5z. Only one term. Only one term. It is called a monomial. Only one term. Polynomial with one term. Single term. Polynomial with single term is called a monomial. Is called a monomial. Polynomial with single term is called a monomial. Is called a monomial. Listen, 2x, 5x square, etc. Next, another one is binomial. We have non-zero terms is 2. Non-zero terms is 2. So, binomial. These two terms, 5x plus 3y. One term, two terms. These are two terms, including plus addition. These are two terms. Another one example also, ax plus b. So, these are ax one term, b one term. This binomial. Binomial is polynomial with two terms. Polynomial with two terms is called a binomial. Polynomial with two terms is called a binomial. Listen, write carefully, children. Next, another one is, understand? I hope you all understand. 3. Trinomial. Trinomial is 3 terms. 3 terms. 5x square, 3y plus 4. Here also x we write. No problem. Polynomial with 3 terms. Polynomials with 3 terms is called a trinomial. Trinomial. 5x square plus 3x4. Here 3 terms. 5x square, 3x4. This is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus c. These are trinomial. Next, trinomial after multinomial or polynomial, 2 or more terms is called a polynomial. Multinomial is 3 or more than. 3 or more than polynomials are called a multinomial or called a multinomial. Polynomial may contain two or more terms. 2 or more terms is called a polynomial. Is called a polynomial. This another one is multinomial 2 and 3 terms is a multinomial, but every multinomial is not a monomial, binomial. Binomial also multinomial is a polynomial, but here listen. A polynomial may be a multinomial, but every multinomial need not a polynomial. Need not a polynomial. A polynomial may be a multinomial, but every multinomial need not a polynomial. A linear polynomial with one variable. Linear polynomial with one variable may be a monomial or binomial. Example 3x plus or 2x minus 1. These are a binomial or a polynomial. Listen, chart. Types of a polynomial. Number of non-zero terms. Name of the polynomial. General term. Examples term. In one number of non-zero terms is 1, it is called a monomial. Ax terms is only 1, 2x or 5x. Here 5x plus 9, 5x comma 9, 2 terms. Here 3 terms. 5x is binomial is 2 terms. 2 binomial ax plus b, that's 5x plus 9. 5x comma 9. Multinomial, 3 trinomial ax square plus bx plus c, 5x square plus 3x plus 4, 5x square one term, 3x 4, 3 or 3 terms. Next, more than 3. Multinomial. More than 3 is multinomial. 6x cube plus 4x square plus 9x plus 5, ax cube plus 6bx square plus cx plus d. 6x cube, 4x square, 9x, more than 3 terms also. A polynomial may not be a multinomial, but every multinomial need not a polynomial. A linear polynomial with one variable may be a monomial or binomial. Okay, neatly write, students. Next time we are go to exercise 1. Listen carefully. First you write types of polynomial. Neatly write now. Next, dear children, now we discussed exercise 2.1. Listen, take it, textbook. First problem, read now. Find the exercise 1. First Roman. Find the degree of each of the polynomial is given below. Here, one, I forget, tell you listen, 3x square y, 3x power 5 plus 4x cube 5. Degree of the polynomial is, degree is 3x power 5 is half. I tell 5 is degree. Next, another term Degree of the polynomial 5. Why? Highest power is highest degree is called a degree of the 5. This polynomial degree which 5. Here 3x square plus y plus 5x. This one term, this is another term. First term, this one is second term. 3x square y is powers 2 plus 1, that is 3. 5xy, here 1, here 1. 1 plus 1 degree is 2. Which one is greater than, children? Yes, you are right. Degree is 3 is highest. So, here degree of the polynomial is 3x square y. 3 is power degree. Degree of the polynomial is 3. Understand? Very good. So, listen. Which one you asked? Find the degree of each of the polynomials given below. This degree is which? Yeah, yes, 5. Degree of the polynomial is 5. Another one. This degree is 1. Root 3 is constant. No. Power is no. So, it is 1. So, degree is 1. 1 is the degree. Next, listen. Fourth one, students. 3x power 6 plus 6 y cube minus 7. Here degree. Here degree 6. Here degree is 6. Understand first Roman? Right now next two examples. 1 is homework. Neatly write now. Completed? Okay, I rub the board. Next, another Roman. Now we go to another Roman. Listen, ma. Second Roman. Which of the following expresses are polynomial in one variable and which are not? One variable, polynomials in one variable. Give reasons for your answer. One variable or two variables? We ask. 3x square minus 2x plus 5 is how many variables? Yes, only one variable. Only one variable. What are they? X. Yeah, here two variables. Two variables. What are they? X comma y. X comma y. One variable. Asking only one variable. Expresses are polynomials in one variable. Which are not? This is not one variable. This is not one variable. This only one variable. Next, see, tell which one variable. Second also one variable, x square plus 2. Another one. This one variable. Then p square minus p2 plus one variable. No, two variables. So it is not a. It is not a one variable. Understand, students? It is not a. Understand. Second Roman. Next, sixth one. Yeah, sixth one also a. Not a one variable. How many variables are there? Two. Two variables, x and y. Two variables. So is not a one variable. Second Roman is asked a only one variable. So is not a two variables. Okay. Next Roman we go to. Right now, children, understand? Write it neatly. Next, Roman 3. Roman 3. Write the coefficient of x cube in each of the following. What are asking? Write the coefficient of x cube. X cube coefficient ask. In each of the following. Each of the following x cube coefficient. Already I tell, then polynomial 3x power 5 is, another time I telling x is 3 is coefficient, x is base or variable, power also 5 is power, exponent or degree. Okay, x cube coefficient are asked. First one, x cube plus x 1. Coefficient x cube coefficient what? No one. How much? Yes, 1. 1. X cube coefficient is 1. Next, another one. Root 2 x cube plus 5. Here coefficient is root 2. X cube coefficient is root 2. This one 5 by 2. X cube plus 3. Here coefficient x cube coefficient is 5 by 2. X3 coefficient is 5 by 2. Here tell ma. 7th one, listen. What up? Read now. Yeah, 2x square plus 5. 2x square plus 5. X square coefficient tell. 2? No, not x square coefficient. X cube coefficient. X cube coefficient. Here? No. So, x cube coefficient is 0. X cube coefficient is 0. Understand? Neatly write, students. Listen. X cube coefficient. ఇక్కడ ఏమీ ఇవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి మాత్రమే ఇక్కడ ఇవ్వను. ఓకే, అండర్స్టాండ్? హియర్ given root 2. So root 2. Here also pi by 2 given x cube. So pi by 2. Here not given. So only. Anybody not telling me? X cube is 1. 1x cube. So that x cube coefficient is 1. Okay. Here 2x square plus 5. But asking is that third Roman asking x cube coefficient. X cube coefficient. X cube coefficient is 0. Neatly write. Completed, students. Rub the word. Okay. Next, Roman, 4th Roman. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. Tell first one. Oh, right. Which one? Alright. Tell ma. This one. Which one? Linear, polynomial, monomial or binomial. This one also. Constant polynomial or monomial. Here, listen, see. One term monomial, constant, one term monomial, polynomial. Monomial, polynomial. Understand? Next Roman. Write another the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. A binomial can have at the most two terms. Binomial have the most two terms. Yes, binomial have two terms. So it is true. Every polynomial is a binomial. Yes, every polynomial is a binomial. No, false. Sorry, false. Every polynomial is a binomial is false. Every binomial is a polynomial. Every binomial is a polynomial. It is true. But you are asking every polynomial is a binomial. False. Next, another one. A binomial may have degree 3 as degree of 0 polynomial is 0. No. Undefined. False. The degree of x square plus 2xy plus y square is 2. Yes. xy only one variable xy, x square, y square is 2. Right. True. Pi r square is a monomial. Yes. Give one example each of the monomial and trinomial of degree. Okay, another one tell. Then P9 Q power 1 P square Q square P power 8 Q square P power 7 Q cube P power 6 Q power 4 P power 5 Q power 5 P power 4 Q power 6 P power 3 Q power 5 plus 7 P power Q power 8 P power 1 Q power 9 Q power 10. This is a 10th degree of the polynomial. Sixth one answer, students. Listen. Degree is 10th polynomial. So we write P power 10. Degree, asking only degree. P power 9, 1, 10. Here also 8, 2, 10. 7, 3, 10. 6, 4, 10. 5, 5, 10. 4, 6, 3, 7. 2, 8. 1, 9, 10. Also degree all 10. Listen carefully, students. Last topic, 0 of the polynomial. X minus 2 is equal 0. X is equal 0. X is find out 0 of the polynomial. P of x is equal to x plus 2. Here P of 1, 1 plus 2, 3 minus 1 plus 2, 1. Here minus 2 plus 2 is 0. P of minus 2 is 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. Listen, students. Ax plus b is equal 0. Here 0 of the polynomial. Ax is equal to minus b. Plus is go to minus. A is multiplied in x. That side goes to otherwise. By multiplied by it is going to divided. So x is 0 of the polynomial minus b by here. Neatly understand, students. I hope understand. Listen carefully. In degree of the polynomials, flashcard solves all neatly. Here variables. Once again variables. Constant also. Constant also. Listen, students, neatly. I hope neatly understand, students. Thank you. Thank you. Our channel KGBV SS YouTube. So KGBV, I am A. Mamata, working at KGBV Kuppam Maths Teachers. Thank you all.